Hello viewers, this is Ahad. Today I want to talk to you about corrosion on your battery terminals, why it happens and how it clean it, and also why maybe you should not ignore it, and let's talk about it. Okay friends, so I've got battery here. Always remove the negative terminal first and then the positive terminal second when removing the battery terminals. Connect it reverse order. Reverse order to be fixed is first positive and negative. Remove this 8 mm nut. Use ratchet or general plier. Remove first the negative terminal. Then remove the positive terminal as well. Cover this positive terminal like this with a cotton cloth or plastic wrap to prevent the collision. Put some baking soda on both terminals like this. Then spray both terminals with fresh water like this and leave for 2 minutes. Look at the corrosion melting now. Just leave it minimum 2 minutes. Secure the positive terminals with wrapped plastic like this before cleaning and keep it safe. Take a microfiber cloth and wipe off the rest of the melted corrosion. You can now see that the copper terminal connector showing its true color. After cleaning the terminals as well, put some more baking soda on the terminal. Spray water. Use the wiring brush like this or terminal cleaner. Can be used to clean the terminals. Clean the terminals by scrubbing like this. After sprinkling some water on both terminals and connectors. Scrub it well inside and outside the connectors and beside the terminals. Wipe and clean it well with microfiber cloth or any cotton cloth. Clean all battery area, use with water and microfiber cloth. Rub the two terminals like this with sandpaper to get more electric contact. Any number of sandpaper can be used. Also rub the positive terminal in the same way. The positive terminal is not clean because there is no corrosion. If there is a corrosion on the positive terminal on your car, do the same as on the negative terminal. It is battery terminal protector that protects against future corrosion on your battery terminal. Spray both terminals. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Do not use over torque on the terminal. Spray it again the battery protector to both terminals. I hope the video will be useful for everyone. Goodbye until the next video. Please support and share.